Today we're going to talk about old programming. So it took you decades to create the old programming and habits you now have. So tell me, why would you think a quick fix would make it all go away? Today's discussion is about how do we program our mind for success, but the right way. So let's do it. Can't rush the learning process of a new habit. It took you 2 or 3 decades to create the old programming and habit you have now. So why would you think a quick fix would make it all go away? Do the work. Identify your current habits, habit scorecard, awareness, whatever you need to do. The HitSavers app so you can check your habits as you do them in the morning. And once you do, let's get on a call so we can effectively break those old habits. First, we have to make them invisible. We have to make them unattractive. We have to create friction between you and that old habit so you don't want to do it anymore. It's too much work, too much energy. So you're just like, forget it. And that's how you replace old habits, by making it unattractive, by creating friction between you and it. If you want to learn more, I am the habit rewiring psychologist in town, and I would be more than happy to get you going, get you started on some tricks to really build new habits, new morning routine, but also create new belief system, because those belief system are your identity, and that identity drives your feelings, and that those feelings drive your action, and that action drives your results, and your results feed back into your belief, your identity. What results are you getting? Are you happy with them? I would love to hear your response. I would love to connect with you. I would love to change your results. I am Dr. Lumi Lewis, and I am the habit rewiring psychologist in town, and I am at your service. I'll talk to you soon.